Welcome to the Doomsday Minute.
A screen that flickers, a mind that cracks, voices in wires, no turning back. Steel veins pumping, hearts turn to stone. In the hum of progress, we die alone. The weight of the Doomsday Minute, clock has sped with nothing in it. Machines whisper while we decay. We trade our souls for the brightest thing.
You know, we did not lose our skills overnight. We outsourced them, one convenience at a time. We called it progress, we called it efficiency, but something quiet and irreversible is happening. Humans are forgetting how to be human. And AI didn't steal our skills. We handed them over. Every major human skill came from necessity. Navigation, memory, problem solving, communication, creativity. Then automation came in. Why remember a phone number when your phone does it automatically? Why learn directions when GPS will plan your route? Why practice writing when AI can do it instantly? Each trade-off felt harmless, but skill by skill and muscle by muscle, something began to rot. Not machines replacing humans. Humans replacing themselves. Your brain isn't a storage device. It's a muscle. And unused muscles don't stay neutral, they weaken. Attention spans are collapsing. Memory retention declining. Decision making has been outsourced. AI now writes our email, it solves our math, it generates our ideas, it finishes our thoughts. We are becoming consumers of intelligence instead of creators of it. Prompters, operators, dependents. This is not abstract. This is physical. Fewer people know how to fix things. Fewer understand systems. Fewer still can function without step-by-step instructions. We have optimized generations for interfaces, not for reality. If systems fail, if automation goes dark, if AI became unavailable, how many people would actually know what to do next? Every skill you surrender becomes a weakness. A society that can't calculate without software, can't navigate without satellites, can't write without prompts, can't decide without recommendations, is not an advanced society. It's brittle, and brittle systems shatter under stress. In a crisis, skills matter more than intelligence. Experience matters more than speed. Self-trust matters more than access. When humans stop practicing skills, they stop trusting themselves and one another. And when people stop trusting themselves, they will defer decisions to algorithms, to models, to systems they may not understand. And at that point, AI does not need to take control. Control has already been surrendered. And now comes the flood, an endless tidal wave of AI-generated content. Articles, videos, images, music, opinion, expert advice. Created faster than any human being can consume, let alone verify. Original thought gets buried. Human nuance is drowned. Skill-based creation is replaced with a volume. Why learn to write when the internet is already filled? Why practice the art when machines produce millions overnight? Why think deeply when shallow content has been infinite? This isn't just noise, it's erosion. When everything looks finished, polished, and confident, people stop being willing to create. They scroll, they consume, they imitate, and slowly that skill gap becomes permanent. The Doomsday Minute is not anti-AI. It's anti-erosion. AI should extend human capability, not replace it. Assist, not atrophy. Support it, not flood the world into numbness. Because the greatest danger of artificial intelligence isn't that it becomes smarter than us. It's that humans will forget how to think, build, create, and decide without it. And by the time we notice, the skills will already be gone. Sleep tight.
A screen that flickers, a mind that cracks, voices in wires, no turning back. Steel veins pumping, hearts turn to stone. In the hum of progress, we die alone. The weight of that doomsday minute clock has been with nothing in it. Machines whisper why it decay. We trade our souls for a brighter display. Plastic thoughts in the digital haze, echo chambers, endless maze. Our health burns out like a dying fuse.